Dear family and friends, we are assembled here in the presence of God to unite Keith and Ashley in marriage.
To Ashley, my loved dove, thank you. Thank you for giving my heart the safety to be vulnerable. Ashley, your love gives me clarity. It roots me in my purpose, and it fuels the hope and strength that I need to walk the path that God has laid before us. Love is giving, love is sacrificing, love is sharing, love is caring. But above all, love is dedication. Today, I vow to be your husband and partner in all things. I vow to honor and protect your heart, to listen when it's difficult, and to speak the truth in love. I vow to cherish the gift of your presence and to never, ever take your love for granted. So today, for Yahweh, our ancestors, our family, and our friends, I, Keith Amaris Clark Freeman, dedicate my heart, body, mind, soul, and life to you, from now till forever.
Keith, my favorite everything, my twin flame. First, I want to say thank you for getting me to my favorite part of this whole wedding process. Let's be honest, this wedding stuff will tear you up if you let it. But this is the moment that I have been waiting for. Not the flowers, not the fancy suits or dresses, but the chance to express my love for you in the most meaningful way I know. I vow to support you and encourage you through every personal and professional journey. I vow to walk in this marriage with purpose and the understanding that the commitment I make today is being watched daily through our children. Alicia and Amaya, I'm so proud of you. I promise to love you, protect you, and guide you. I love you to infinity, infinity, and infinity. Keith, I love you. I love us. And I can't wait for 96 more years of growing, building, and loving together.
I've had the privilege of watching Ashley grow into the incredible woman that she is today. I've seen her put her trust in God. Keith brought with him two beautiful girls, Alicia and Amaya, who quickly captured Ashley's heart, and now they call her Ima. I knew Ashley was in the right place with the right people when I heard her refer to them without hesitation as my girls, creating a home where love and security are truly a foundation. And Keith, I admire you. You honored her family by asking her father for her hand in marriage. It's rare, so rare, to see two people who have never once doubted that they were each other's forever. From the beginning, they knew. And they built a love that proves when you wait for it and trust the author of your story that the ending is more beautiful than you could ever imagine. So tonight, let's raise a glass to love, to family, and to your forever. Let's raise a glass to Freeman.
Being his older cousin, I just watched his maturity grow far beyond his years. And I think the smartest thing that he did out of all of these years was to find a beautiful bride named Ashley. And Ashley, I'm so happy to have you with our family. I see the love that he has for you, and what made me the happiest is that I see the love that you have for him. And I thank you for being his rock. Keith, everything that you are, she is holding you up to be that. And everything that you are and that you will be, Keith is right there and will always be your foundation. So continue to love one another. Continue to know that we got your back through it all. And we love you. So to the bride and groom.
So
to be your wife?
I do.
Ashley, will you take Keith to be your husband?
I do.
So today, Mr. and Mrs. Freeman, you say, so where you go, I will go. Where you lodge, I will lodge. Your people will be my people. Your God will be my God. You may salute your wife. And for the first time, I have the pleasure of introducing and presenting Mr. and Mrs. Keith Freeman.
Tell right now with you, I feel the vibe. Baby, don't let go of me, you get me high. I can see with you that I can fly. I know you wanna go all over the world and more. I know you wanna go all over the world and more. This world's too big not to travel it, and it's only one life that you handed here. So I'ma live it up, no, I'm never giving up. Understand trouble come and goes, but never living stuck. Think about the oceans and islands, hearing God speak through the silence. Really, it's a vibe, and I want you.
Love y'all lots. Wish y'all the best. I love y'all. Hope y'all have a lifetime of happiness.
Beautiful ceremony. I love the personal vows you all exchanged.
Congratulations. You two deserve it. I wish you much love, much happiness, much success in this marriage.
I love the ceremony. It was beautiful. I could feel the love, and I'm so happy you two found each other.
Beautiful. It was intimate.
And I know y'all gonna have a happy life together, so we wishing y'all the best.
Congratulations.
I know you wanna go all over the world and more. Yeah, I'm loving the vibe, the rush, the feelings, your eyes, your voice, they seize me. I take you to France, to China, to Egypt. I saved up some money, so let's go and see it. Tired of waiting, we're taking a bus, a plane, a train. Camino la calle pa' ti, turn into a lion pa' ti. Sabe que me haces feliz. Oh man, all your dreams, all you wish is my command. 'Cause I've been traveling on this road day and night. My only wish is that you're right here by my side. When I look in your eyes, my God, I come alive. I can tell right now with you, I feel the vibe. Baby, don't let go of me, you give me.
Baby, you don't know what you did to me. Between me and you, feel that chemistry. Love your vibe, the way you be. You let me know, got me praying. Your love, light of our life, baby. I know, baby. Your love, light of our life, baby.
Baby, don't let go of me, you get me high. I can see with you that I can fly. I know you wanna go all over the world and more. I know you wanna go all over the world and more.
Damos la vuelta al mundo.
Te amo, princesa. Forever.